Presenting the ASUS ZenBook Flip 13 OLED, Intel Core i5-1135G7 11th generation, 13.3 inches Full HD Touch 2-in-1 laptop. It comes with 4266 MHz RAM and storage, 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD plus 32 GB Optane memory. It has display, touch screen, 13.3-inch, OLED, Full HD 16:9, glossy display, 400 nits, GP3, 100, Pantone validated, screen-to-body ratio, 80. It comes with up to 10 hours battery life, 67 WHRS, 4-cell Li-ion battery, and note, battery life depends on conditions of usage. It features with Cortana and Alexa voice recognition support and other FHD web camera with Windows Hello support. It also features nano edge bezels, integrated LED illuminated numeric keypad and keyboard, edge-to-edge design, full-size backlit, with 1.4mm key travel. It also features Bluetooth 5.0, ports, 1x HDMI 2.0B and 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, 1x micro SD card reader, 2x Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C and Wi-Fi 6 Gig Plus, 802.11ax, 2x2. The delivery box contains laptop, Type-C 65W AC adapter and sleeve, stylus and USB-C to audio jack adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.